MASH is our Maths and Statistics help desk. It's an actual physical room that you can go to. You can book a one-to-one appointment and they will give you one-to-one support.
The Maths and Stats help desk is a kind of ideal environment for doing small group teaching. You can go in there and talk to 2 or 3 students. They can essentially run the agenda. They can tell me what their problems are. I can chat through them, get instant feedback as to what works and what hasn't worked. The evidence is that those who have participated do get a lot of benefit out of it. They keep coming back. It's a good sign.
Students who come to MASH come with all sorts of questions and difficulties. Definitely a big one is the anxiety of statistics. Students also often bring their own research projects as they struggle with translating the skills that they gain during their stats classes and applying these skills to their own data and research.
I would definitely recommend the Maths and Statistics help desk to students because at first I didn't want to approach anyone like to bother anybody, but now I realise that that is what I should have done in the first instance, and like everyone's been so lovely and I would definitely recommend. They helped because they had additional questions that I maybe didn't have before, so I was able to, even though like the answers were there, I could like cover the answers and work through all these questions that I'd never seen before, and it was definitely that way beneficial. I would definitely say I feel more prepared this time for my exams than I did before, just with that extra help and the knowledge that I've now got.
So the session was set up that you had to first of all book a session, and then secondly you had to kind of outline what your problem was. So I think it gave the tutor some time to kind of figure out what area you needed help within. So then, yeah, you were arranged a time slot, and then I just arrived down at the MASH help desk and met the tutor, and then we went through your problem together. Benefit for me was it gave me the confidence that I was using the right statistical test to carry out my data analysis, especially whenever the tutor was able to verify it from online papers. It meant that it gave me the confidence that I was using the right one.
I think that MASH is an absolutely amazing service. It's very well organized. It also provides individualized help that's tailored to the needs of the student. So in addition to their statistics or mathematics courses, students have the opportunity to have this personal interaction with a member of staff.
And students have found that not only do they use it the first time, maybe when they're starting the course, but it can be beneficial all the way through your career. From those very first early steps in first year when you're just getting your feet under the table with some of the mathematics, to maybe later on in your career. So we strongly welcome and I encourage everyone to use it. It is there for you. It has been developed and built, purpose-made for yourselves.